And today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I braid my hair underneath my wigs. Now, you guys know I just braid my hair going straight to the back. So there's no special braiding pattern that I usually use. It's just straight to the back. It's easier. It allows you to be able to part anywhere you want. So that's kind of why I just braid straight to the back. So, oh, by the way, thank you guys, because my orders for the custom wigs have been ridiculous. So that's why I haven't been posting as much videos, because I've just been trying to get orders out on time. So that's kind of what's been my hold up as far as videos. But I'm not even sure if my lines are straight back here, so I'm gonna pray that they are, because I hate jagged lines. I always connect my braids once I get to the back, because it just makes it easier to flip up when you do have your wig on. Another very important fun fact, well, tip, is I get so anal about having a straight middle part. So it's so important for you to measure out your braids evenly so that you know you're gonna have a straight middle part. So what you can do is go ahead and start parting that line down the middle. Sometimes what happens is you'll keep braiding and have a braid in the middle, and you don't want that. So just braid straight to, already put your part there. Okay, my arms are freaking burning. Another thing is I try to have the skinniest braids be at the top and the larger ones on the side, because if you're gonna do a middle part, you want it to fall nice and flat. You shouldn't have big braids up here. You should have small braids up here, and then smaller, and then gradually go into bigger. That's how I usually do my braids, or I just do them all skinny. But today we're doing them big. So now I'm gonna go in with my natural castor oil, and I'm gonna use this on my edges and on my scalp just to kind of get my juices flowing.